Good morning, children. So yesterday I had explained about the four broad categories of the stage of the Stone Age, isn't it? So, and these are the Paleolithic Age, number one, the Old Stone Age, that is number two, Mesolithic Age, the Middle Stone Age, and the Neolithic Age, that is the New Stone Age. And the last one, the Chalcolithic Age, the Copper Stone Age. Meaning of Chalcolithic is the Copper Stone Age. Okay. So this we have started yesterday, isn't it? So today we are going to study about the Paleolithic Age. Now what do you mean by Paleolithic Age, or the other term in the simple way we say the Old Stone Age. Okay. So Paleolithic Age or period, this period is also called Old Stone Age, okay, and is a period in the human prehistory. It is an ancient cultural stage, okay, or a level of human development. It is characterized by the use of chipped stone tools, okay. The stones were chipped, were cut in shape, and they were brought to make tools. Okay. So these were the things which was done in the Paleolithic Age. Now it was found, when it was found that there were many techniques employed to make these tools. The oldest one is called Olduvai. Okay, Olduvai. The oldest one, it is called the Olduvai, and it is made of simple choppers and flakes. Okay, so this prehistory or the Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age it is made of a simple choppers and flakes, and they improved the technique, and towards the end of the period they were able to make ornaments. Okay, so during that period, in the end of the period, they were able to make ornaments and they made cave paintings. Is that clear? So this was the longest Stone Age period, and for a clear concept, you can see the diagrams, you can see the pictures given in page 10. So I am showing you the page here. This is page 10. These are the pictures given here. Okay, this is called a chisel stone tools. Okay, so this is the picture given here. So those who have got the book, you can just see this book. Okay, see page number 10, and you can see these pictures given here. Understood? Those who don't have, I'll just in the evening or for tomorrow's class, I will WhatsApp this page. Now, this is the oldest or the longest Stone Age period. For a clear concept, you can see the picture given in page 10. Now, we'll move to the next age, that is called the Mesolithic Age. Now, what is Mesolithic Age, or what it is also known as the Middle Stone Age? Okay, the Mesolithic Age is also known as the Middle Stone Age. Now, Mesolithic is also called the Middle Stone Age. It is an archaeological term describing specific cultures that fall between the Paleolithic and Neolithic age. So, this age called Mesolithic age, it falls between the Paleolithic, which is the Old Stone Age, and the Neolithic age. Now, the start and end of Mesolithic age or a period, it varies by a geographical region, and it dated approximately from 10,000 BCE to 18,000 BCE. Is that clear? So this is the Mesolithic age. Now, what do you mean by a term BCE? It is the world's most widely used calendar year era, and the full form of BCE is before the Common Era. Okay, before the Common Era. The Mesolithic age is the time of letter, hunters and gatherers. Okay, after the hunter and gatherers, it is the time of a letter, hunter and gatherers. They started making small and sharp tools. So during this period called Mesolithic age or the Mesolithic period, they started slowly, gradually, they started making a small and sharp tools like arrows and spears. Okay, and the climate started becoming warmer. As a result, ice sheets began to melt. Okay, and the hunters and gatherers they started moving from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Why? Because the ice started melting, and so they had to move from that place, and so they started moving from one place to another, and they started looking for water holes for availability of water. They needed water. We need water, isn't it? Without water, we cannot do anything. Is that clear? So water is the most important thing. So they started looking for water holes for the availability of water, and they started hunting animals like deer, elephants and giraffes, and they lived in groups. They started living in groups. So, and the women, they started collecting fruits and roots and berries from the forest, from the jungle or from the forest, and they gradually knew the life cycle of plants. This is how they learned to grow plants, or they started learning the life cycle of plants. The rock paintings of Bhimbetka, are in Madhya Pradesh. It gives a clear picture of a life of occupation of hunters and gatherers. Okay, so the rock paintings which was painted in Madhya Pradesh, paintings of Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, it gives a clear picture of the life cycle or of the life of the occupation of hunters and gatherers. So today we had learnt about the Paleolithic age and the Mesolithic age. So what you can do today, you just go through the chapter, go through the paragraphs which I had explained to you, and you will try to find the difficult words from here. Okay, and those who don't have book, I'll try to give you some words here in the blackboard so that you can learn the words. Okay, so that's all for today, and I'll be giving you some words from here. You can just go through these words. Okay, it's difficult words. Some difficult words I'm going to give you from here. The Paleolithic. You can just read the words, learn the word. Okay, Paleolithic age, the Mesolithic age. Okay, the Neolithic age. The words are quite difficult, isn't it? So you learn the words for spellings. Is that clear? And the last one is the Chalcolithic age. Chalcolithic age. Okay, and you can just read one also. Evidences. Okay. And fossil fossil, then you can write older one, okay, then choppers, 9 flex. The last word I'm going to give you is ornament. So today you learn these words, okay? At least if you learn 10 words also, it's more than sufficient. If you learn 10 words also, it's more than sufficient, okay? So the Paleolithic age, the Mesolithic age, the Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age, evidences, fossil, older one, choppers, flakes and ornaments. So learn these words for spellings. It will be easy for you to write also. Is that clear? That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.